Good morning, students. Here I had came with a new part number 4, chapter 2, motion of the earth. Okay, motion of the earth means we will discuss about day and night. We are discussing already about the seasons, about the day and night, and various of the things. Okay. Previously, we have discussed about many of the points about the scientifically how we can say the how the rotates. Earth rotates by its own axis and the revolutionary etc. etc. Now we will discuss about the season, how the season actually occurs and with it. You know the earth revolves around the sun, that's why the revolutionary form seasons. Okay. Seasons are having due to the we can say due to its the earth just moving around the sun. Some countries which are closest to the earth during that sometimes have a summer and rest have the cold season. 3 seasons mostly. And where like India country will have the phase the 3 of it, summer, winter and rain. Okay, I'm telling that about winter, summer and rain, then after they are coming. If I talk about the earth rotate on its own axis, that I call. But this season, the day time period is given in the northern part. We can say from 21st March, given 21st March to 21st September. It's a what in the southern hemisphere. In the southern hemisphere, we can say the winter is there. In the northern hemisphere, it is having a what? A summer season. Okay. Summer season in the northern hemisphere you can have here, and the southern hemisphere there is a winter. This line is for the here for the winter. Okay. Now these changes of the season, these three whatever 3-4 seasons are there, there are changes, and main 3 seasons these have affected human life. Human life को बहुत affect करते हैं. It affects the human, we can say the social life. Okay, with the basic whatever livelihoods are there, there are also changes on the depends on the season. For example, if summer season is there, we can't wear the warm clothes. ठीक है ना, हम गर्म कपड़े वुलन कपड़े नहीं पहनेंगे. We can't have in summer season we have the cold drinks. We have the such type of drinks which will just cool our body. है ना? So we can say winter season. We talk about the winter season. The winter season is on that time we will have the woolen clothes. We will have the warm coffee, tea. सब कुछ गरम खाएंगे है ना. We have in the summer season also best favorable is in the summer season getting a vacation. In the summer season we are getting a vacation. तो हम कह सकते हैं कि various things are there. ठीक है ना. There are changes that affects our human life. The food, the clothes, and even the houses. In some states we can say having the heavy rainfall and some state having the less rainfall. The driest states are the Rajasthan is the hottest states and the less rainfall state we can see. तो same is south में बारिश ज़्यादा होती है. On that time you know the south staple food whatever rice is grown more. In Gujarat and Rajasthan they have the less rainfall. What will happen? They will have the what? They will have the wheat and the we can say the such type of production ज्वार बाजरे है ना. तो such type of production which want the less rain. तो we can say by that reason many of the foods are to be changed. बहुत सारा खाना जो होता है वो भी change हो जाता है. ठीक है, हमारे बहुत सारे खाने होते हैं वो change हो जाता है depends on the season. Okay, our colors also changes. If we just some of the countries which are very near to the sun, they have the blackish color. ठीक है ना, जो बोलते हैं ना हम देखो फैन स्क्रीन्स और यूज करते बोलते हैं we can say have the color black color and those are the far जो sun से बहुत दूर होते हैं like European countries. They are having the white skin mode because pigmentations and the black pigmentation and some of the things are there. You can read in the science also. Science में आपको ये सब पढ़ सकते हैं. ठीक है. So what is the main reason to say all the things is due to the changes in the we can say in the sun and the rotation and the revolution, the human life affects. The human life, even the animals and the value of the insects in the Discovery Channel we have looked at the papers also. Due to the season changes, if the creature if not doesn't change ourselves, अगर हम खुद को change नहीं कर सकते हैं, तो क्या होता है? If it doesn't change ourselves, then we will die. We will not able to live, survive in that atmosphere. So while to survive on that atmosphere, many people who are living in the different temperature on the different zone. North zone, south zone, west, east, when we are near the coastline, wherever, they are particularly habituated. They are habitual or they are habitual of that climate of that atmosphere. इतना समझ में आया सबको? Okay. Now I will discuss further and we will go डाउन, हम नीचे की तरफ जा रहे हैं. Just look out at the seasons as I tell in the human life affair. Here the revolution of the earth, here we can say, look at the figure. I am there alone now. We know nowadays is there, so we are alone in the class and making the videos for you all. Okay? So relax and have a study. I pray to God that the schools will be open, we will have no problem with God. तो लेट्स लुक एट द, आई एम जस्ट डिसाइड्स, मैं साइड हो गई जिससे आप लोगों को ये डायग्राम क्लियरली दिखाई दे. It's about the whole year has been drawn. Here the whole year has been drawn. In middle what is there? Sun is there. There the sun. Okay? And the earth is rotating around the sun. It means a revolutionary, we can say the revolution is going on the earth. In the diagram we can see it, है ना? A revolution of the earth we can say of the rate. If I just little bit scroll up also, तो आपको दिखाई देगा. ठीक है, पूरा पिक्चर आपको क्लियर दिखाई दे रहा है. It's a revolution. Again I repeat, it's a revolution. The picture is totally seen about how the revolution is going on. अर्थ जो होता है पूरी तरह से कैसे घूमता है. And due to which we are celebrating the festivals, we are celebrating our we can say the seasons and etc. by growing cultivation and etc. by our livelihood. We are changing, we are habitual. Okay. Let's start from the English figure. It's about January. It's a coldest. 22 December is the shortest day. Already explained December. Okay, then the last that means after January, then February, March. After the equal day and night. Okay, that's equal day and night is came. Then from April summer season starting. Slowly the government, summer is started. May, hottest. May and June. 21st June is the longest day is falling. Then July the rainy season started. According to the different state, different. Even in India, if I talked about the India, different states have the different climate are there, different seasons are there. Okay, I just told before in the northern somewhere we have the summer season, in the southern all that and cool season is there. Some states more rain is there and somewhere less rain is there. So it depends on the winds, it depends on the climate, it depends on the moving or other things. How the earth is very near to the sun and where is the earth is just far away from the sun. It depends on each also. Okay. So we can say that to the loop. Then I told again the September equal day and night. How the months are going. Then October, November, and December. If December means the longest nights and the shortest days, and here we can say the longest day and the shortest day. Total उल्टा आया. इस याद रखना. दिसंबर में ठंडी के मौसम में दिन छोटे होते हैं, रात लंबी होती है. और समर सीजन में क्या होता है? On the June side month we have the long days and the what happened? The nights are small. Understood this thing? इतना सबको समझना है. Revolution of the earth. It's a very nice diagram given so that you very easily can understand the whole figure. ठीक है, ये whole figure को आप बहुत अच्छे से समझ सकते हो. इस पिक्चर के थ्रू we will have the whole year, पूरा ईयर है वो बताया गया है कैसे इक्वल डे नाइट है, कौन से शॉर्टेस्ट डे है, कौन से लॉन्गेस्ट डे है. ठीक है, सारी चीज़ें बताई गई. Now list of some festivals and seasons of the celebration is given below. ठीक है, अब कुछ सीजन से मैं स्क्रॉल कर रही हूँ जिससे आपको चीज़ों के बारे में पता चलेगा. Let's have some seasons. Okay, revolution. Then we have the sun and night. Chapter is over here. Oh, chapter is being over in the part 4 only. Very nice. Okay, look out. What is written here? Revolution of the earth. What is written here? Revolution of the earth. Here the revolution of the earth is there. Diagram below. Every diagram, the below the revolution is shown. Whatever the diagrams are there, in that what is the main motive to show the diagrams they are telling to us. Now let's read some more facts. Read about the list of some festivals and seasons of the celebration is given below. We know which are the festivals we are just looking about. Holi, Diwali, Christmas, summer, winter, है ना? Kenya, Japan, USA. These seasons are there. In that India we have the festivals. Okay. Here in the country, in the other countries, these seasons are there because we are celebrating India. All the seasons are celebrated in other countries. So we can say if we are to be what? To be celebrated. Okay. Now come to the point of sun and midnight. In the Norway we can say, in the Norway, even in the night of the 12 o'clock, you will see different times of the day. These photographs has been taken different times of the day. अलग-अलग दिनों में चित्र लिया गया है. The midnight also shows how the sun. Some of the countries which are very near to the sun, on that time the suns are seen in the night also. रात को भी दिखाई देता है. बहुत अच्छी बात है ना. रात को भी दिन होता है. Very good. ना उजाला ही उजाला होता है. बहुत मजे के दिन होते हैं ना. रात को भी दिन होता है. रात को भी पढ़ाई करनी पड़ेगी ऐसे नहीं. This is not the way. The peoples are being adjustable according to the temperature and to the climate. Okay. So if I look out the sun and the midnight in the Norway, look at the photos which very nice, showing us how the creature have been made, how the planets working, how we can say the climate due to climate, the sun, the moon, and the earth, the revolving, rotating. We know each other, and the various of the times happens. Okay, the sun is very far. Some of the countries are there in our world which are very far to the sun. Whereas they are having the coldest. Region होता है. No people, very less people are living. People are habitual of living there because population is increasing. So we can see people are habitual of living in different parts of the countries. Okay, but some of the regions are there where the happiest summer, but the hottest days are there. Some of the coldest days are there. So different regions are there. If you talk about the Norway, you will have this midnight. Also look at the sun. It's very nice looking. So if a question arises. Okay, if a question arises, okay, which country has the midnight, has the sun at the midnight, which will have a Norway, remind that, okay? And it is what is written last in the below the exercise, up to the exercise, we can say above the exercise. In the European nation of Norway, the sun does not set from midway. Midway के महीने से वो set नहीं होता. Understood this thing? Okay, what is written? In the European nation of the Norway, the sun does not set from the midway to the end of July. This means that the sun and sunset are simultaneously, so the sun is seen even in the midnight also. यानी European nation है, Norway का European countries में से ही आता है. In that way, the sun does not set from the midway to the end of the July. In few months only, not for the whole year. In few months only, from May to July, May and to the July, we can say that doesn't have the sunset. Okay, so that means the sun is seen even in the midnight. This means the sunrise and the sunset are simultaneously, continuously we can say just looking about. Simultaneously just moving about. Okay, the chapter is over here. In the 4 parts, I have taken this chapter into 4 parts. Division are there. You can read very easily. It's very interesting to be understandable. Now some exercises are there. We will read some questions, so it will be easy for you to understand. Name the motion of the earth. We have done rotation, revolution. Okay. What other things are there? Okay. Here questions. Then 4 main questions are there. The Indian West Indies. We know the test match. You can do the activity on by important question. Whatever you can do, rest and activities you can do at your home. Here some things are written. Let's read one time. We can say vertical race. Why Uttarayan is there? To the north of the equator, 22 December onwards. So Uttarayan actually falls on the 24 December, not on 14 January. Very actually ये पता ही नहीं. But usually the sun enters the zodiac sign. हमारे जो कैप्रिकॉर्न, हमारे जो ग्रह नक्षत्र है, उसके हिसाब से हम 14 जनवरी को मकर संक्रांति मनाते हैं. लेकिन अगर साइंटिफिकली देखने जाए तो वो 14 जनवरी ना होकर वो 22 दिसंबर बताता. ठीक है. From now so let's take 22 June onward, the vertical sun start moving from the tropic of Cancer to the south of the equator. ज़्यादा जैसे से सोल्स्टिस कहते हैं. ठीक है. Celsius is the unit of measurement के लिए होता है. ये सारे definition पूछ सकते हैं, ये सारे questions पूछ सकते हैं. सर्कल ऑफ इल्यूमिनेशन भी बताया है कोर्स का. ठीक है. तो things to know is a very important points. You can read it and you can have the knowledge of from it also. Okay. इसमें बहुत सारे डेफिनेशन भी दिए होते हैं, तो ये आप लोगों को बहुत इजी पड़ता है. इफ यू वांट टू रीड एंड लुक आउट, इट विल बी मोर इजी फॉर यू टू अंडरस्टैंड. ओके, मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट इज टू व्हाट टू चेक द वीडियोस. नाउ दिस चैप्टर हैज बीन ओवर एंड कंप्लीटिंग हियर. चेक द वीडियोस, read the textbook.